First, we're gonna go ahead and upload a PNG image. PNG means it has a transparent background. We're gonna choose complex, and we're gonna save it as print and cut image. We're gonna bring it to our canvas. For Cricut Joy, it has to be 4.5 inches by 48 inches long or less. We're going to change the size to 4 inches wide, no greater than 4 inches wide. We're gonna go to shapes, take a square, put it behind our image, and change the size. It's gotta be bigger than your design, and it has to fit perfectly in the middle. We're gonna align them to the center. We're gonna change the rectangle from cut to draw. Select both and duplicate. Change your image to cut. Without moving anything, select both and attach. We can select the other two, and we're gonna change the machine to either Cricut Maker or Cricut Explorer, just so we can print the image. You gotta select them both and flatten your image. Let's go to Make It, but only send your design to print. Choose No Bleed. Let's go back to our canvas. And hide the color image. Change the machine to Joy. Click on Make It. Let's do it on matte. And change the measurements to 4.5 by 12. Move your work to the far left corner. This is very important. This will give us time and space to place our printed image into the machine. Choose your material. you have to trim your image. You can also use PowerPoint to make your design, and this way it will not print those registration marks that we have in Design Space. I'm gonna place my marker first. I'm gonna load my mat without anything on it. Cricut Joy will only draw the rectangle . When it's finished, it will ask you to remove the marker and place in your blade. You can replace the blade and pause the cut so you can place your design. If it goes too fast for you to pause it, do not put the blade in. And do not unload your mat. Place your printed image exactly within the frame Joe drew on your mat. It's gotta be as perfect as possible. Click on Rerun on your screen. You do not need to put the marker back in the machine. Time to place your blade back in. Once it's finished, remove your image and it'll be a perfect print and cut project on Cricut Joy. Thank you for watching. See you next time.